So I'm here right now. This is SEA Games Diaries ng Sports Corner PH. My name is Gab Ferras. At ngayong araw, makakasama po natin ang silver medalist sa uneven bars sa nagdaang 33rd Thailand SEA Games. We will have one of the newest Pinay gymnastics wonders na discover natin, and of course na supportahan po natin. Si Miss Ailey Garcia is in the house right now via Zoom. Ailey, welcome to Sports Corner. Thank you so much for gracing with us with this interview.
Hello, everyone.
All right. So, thank you so much po muli sa inyong pag-accept sa invitation to join us in our interview. So, but right now, kamusta na po kayo? Nabanggit mo kanina, you arrived at the country the day after itong interview na ito, the day after yesterday, and of course, after nito, you will resume training for the 2026 season. So, how things
Yes
going
po.
on po, Eli, sa ngayon?
They're good naman po. I have mga 3 araw po na rest po ako sa training tapos balik na po ako sa Thursday. So,
Oo, at of course, kahit papaano, makapaglaan pa kayo ng panahon at oras para at least mag-congratulate, magkaroon ng mga victory parties. Even yung Club Gymnastica Pasig, magkakaroon yata ng victory party para sa inyo, no?
hindi ko po alam pero bibisitahan ko po yung gym sa Thursday po.
Alright, so by the way, si Ailey is part of Club Gymnastica Pasig before. But right now, ang college mo na sa USI,
I train po with Momentum Gymnastics
sa
in
momentum
American.
na yon. Pero dati sa
Opo.
Club Gymnastica. Pero sa
Opo.
college, sa USNCAA, kasi alam ko apply ka na sa USNCAA, no?
Opo, nag-apply na po.
Alright. So, hindi na at
Not sure
least
yet po.
nalaman
Yeah,
natin na of course USNCAA bound niya si Ailey. But right now, sa mga hindi pa alam o hindi pa nakikilala tungkol sa'yo, can you give us a brief background na assess? Kasi nasanay naman tayo sa mga magkakapatid na Yulo, kay Alea, kay Emma, kay Levi, and the rest of the Olympians natin. Paano ka nag-umpisa na mag-gymnastics? Kasi nakita naman natin, maayos ang flexibility, magandang characteristics, at of course, yung passion and determination to play gymnastics, nang ibabaw naman yon. So, could you summarize muna kung sino ka ba, paano ka nag-umpisa mag-gymnastics, and what makes it special for you?
Hello, so my name's Haley Garcia. I'm 17 years old. I had been doing gymnastics po since I was 6 years old. At ito po talaga yung sport na nagustuhan ko. I tried a lot po before, like ballet and football, but I didn't like it po as much as gymnastics. And I think it's because I've always liked having a good challenge po. And gymnastics kasi is one of the sports that really pushes you po to your limits. At mahirap po talaga siya physically, but once nagawa mo na yung na maayos ang particular skill, nakakatuwa po. So, it's very fulfilling and I just really love doing this. It makes me so happy po.
Follow-up lang, Ailey, kasi nakita man naman natin na unti-unti kan na kitaan ka ng progress ng mga mentors ninyo at of course yung coaches ninyo nung una sa club gymnastica, na yun sa momentum ka na.
Opo.
Masasabi niyo ba na of course grateful ka ba dahil of course sa kanila talagang umaani ng lakas at of course yung inyong paggabay sa iyo every time you train, every time you compete from the very start of the career up until now, yung mga coaches ninyo ay napakaalaga para sa iyo. Can you describe them, your support niyan sa mga coaches na from the start until beginning?
Opo. So, since day one po, grabe po talaga yung support nila ni Coach Van po and his wife, Tita Mika, sa akin. They treat me po like their own family and I will forever be grateful for that. Also po, Coach Van's parents, Tita Susan and her husband po came to Thailand to watch the competition at sobrang na-appreciate ko po yon. They are already like family to me. Coach Tammy also at Momentum opened opportunities for me and Coach Van to train in the United States. And of course po also my mom, who's working full-time but made sure she's able to be there po with her sisters po. Also, one of my biggest supporters, Tita Pipin. I'm very lucky to have all these people rallying behind me and pushing me forward in this journey. There's also a Gymnastics Association, Ma'am Cynthia, Ma'am Weng, who gave me a chance to be part of the Philippine team. And marami po, but the list never ends. And, my mom would always say that it takes a village to help a child grow. And totoo po yun.
Oo nga eh. At nakita naman natin na iyong mom na regularly nagko-communicate sa amin pag meron ka mga international competitions, local competitions na sinalihan. Even yung gap challenge, naalala ko yung recent na gap challenge yan sa Manila, kung saan
Opo.
you also won, talaga naman lumipad pa patungo Thailand para lang sumuporta sa iyo. Would you believe na, of course, yung isa sa mga number one supporters ninyo, which is in particular your mom, was there to watch the competition? Anong surreal feeling ba ang nararamdaman ninyo when you see your mom competing? Parang bumabalik talaga sa alaala nung nag-umpisa ka.
Yes po. Recently po, she's not always able to come to my competitions because I compete. It's like in such far countries now compared to before po when I just compete here in the Philippines. But now po, iba't ibang countries na. So I understand that she won't be able to go sa lahat ng mga competitions ko. And I'm just super lucky and I'm so grateful that she was able to come to SEA Games because it was a really special competition for me po.
And now we'll focus on sa preparations wise because this is actually your second major international competition, no? This year, no? Kasi the last time Ailey actually joined dun sa Asian Championships with Alea Pinagan, Emma Malabuyo, and of course the Eliza Yulo, one of the sisters or the sister of our Paris Olympics gold medalist Carlos Yulo, and also Eldrew Yulo na nanalo din ng bronze dun sa junior artistic yung inos natin sa Manila. With Coach Ban on your side, Coach Ban Talinting,
Yes
can
po.
you tell us more about yung training regimen? Ano yung mga skills na na-apply ninyo, yung fundamentals na nakuha ninyo every time na magte-training kayo either locally o di kaya sa US para lang sa inyong mission to win hopefully the gold, pero sayang, silver nga. Hanggang silver lang ang nakaya natin.
So, Coach Van and I po, we have a plan. It's parang po siyang spreadsheet of our goals that we want to accomplish in the next 5 to 6 years since we moved po to the US. And the end po of that goal is LA 2028 Olympic Games. So, sana po makarating po kami doon.
Okay. So, ito talaga yung matagal mong pangarap, which is qualify nga for the the LA Olympics. Yan talaga ang ultimate dream ninyo para sa iyo.
Opo po. Ever since po I started gymnastics po, that's always been my dream po.
And somewhat, na-inspire ka lalo dun sa panalo ni Carlos Yulo, kaya nga, kahit papaano, at least mararating mo rin hopefully yung pangarap ninyo na magka-qualify nga doon sa 2028 LA Olympics. Sabihin natin, mukhang na-inspire at mukhang na-engage ka doon sa panalo ni Yulo back in 2024. Kaya nga, nagpursige ka, nagpapatuloy ka pa rin sa inyong training.
Opo. So I watched his performance po on TV and it was super inspiring po to not only to me but also po sa lahat ng mga gymnasts na here in the Philippines po.
Okay, how do you help yung international exposure? And of course, yung tuloy-tuloy na training sa US and even on the collegiate side naman to help you bring up or you're building up your career and especially para dito sa massive build up for the Southeast Asian Games in preparations wise and of course it is good help na rin yung mga magagandang payo ng inyong mga coaches to have a world class quality training para sa'yo.
Yes, so I had actually three po yung international competitions ko po ngayon year. First was Asian Championships and then World Championships. Tapos ngayon po yung SEA Games. So the international exposure that I got competing po sa US helped me to be more confident with my routine since I competed, last year from January po hanggang May. And I feel like nabawasan po talaga yung nerves ko every time I go in to compete. And parang naging normal na po siya at may konting kaba pa din pero very minimal lang po. I learned how to manage that already and the repetitive competitions really taught me to be calmer and I'm able to redirect that energy into strength and excitement po when it's time to perform po.
Okay, si Alea Piligan and of course si Eliza Yulo, nagkakasama kayo sa Asian Championships. Sa World, sino ang mga kasama ninyo? Si Alea din?
Sa Worlds po si Aliyah po at saka si Isa po, magkasama po kami dun
Pero
sa
sa
Worlds.
Asian,
Sa Asian Champs, ako lang tapos iba pong gymnast si Yan Enriquez, Kaden Nyland at si Lauren Supnet.
okay, that was sa junior side, no?
Sa Asian Championships po this year,
Alright.
seniors po. So,
Oo, kasi meron tayong senior at meron tayong junior. So, you're
opo.
now part of the senior squad na eh.
Yes.
Kasi si Eliza, tumawid na din sa seniors eh.
Opo.
Kahit age of 16. Si Ailey, 17, seniors na kaagad. At marami pang iba na mga junior squad natin na tumawid na sa senior side natin. Pero sa tagal na pagkakasama ninyo with Alea and Eliza, especially during SEA Games, kamusta na buong chemistry between these two? Especially nung nagkakasama kayo lagi sa isang bubong, tapos gumagawa pa kayo ng TikTok para ma-cope up yung stress
Opo.
ninyo at pressure.
Yes po. So, ang saya po talaga nila kasama si Alia po, super supportive of me and Isa. Para po kaming little sister niya at she's very cheerful and lagi po siya she always tells us to just have fun. And I remember po before marching out for my bars final, she went up to me and she told me that, Haley, just remember to have fun because if you're not having fun, then you're not doing it right. And Isa has always been a good friend to me since before when we were competing just in local competitions dito po sa Philippines, and it's just always been a friendly competition. Mabait po talaga si Isa, very sweet and humble. And I'm so glad that we get to compete under one team now.
Goosebumps talaga na makita
Oh,
ninyo na si Eliza nang bumulang pa sa junior competitions, palaro pabansa, Batang Pinoy, na yun, tumawid na kayo sa senior squad at nagkaroon ng unang SEA Games. Parang, parang magtuturing BFFs pala kayo ni Isa eh.
oh.
Okay, so can you assess to us yung nangyaring silver medal finish? But before that, you have also qualified for several events na nag-compete nga. Would you like to give us a overview nga dito sa inyong performance before yung ating uneven bars na nag-silver na? In other events muna tayo.
I only did isa pa pong event aside from bars po. I nag-vault and bars po ako ng SEA Games. At nakapasok din po ako sa vault final pero yung rules po kasi one lang per country. So, pinili ko na lang pong mag-bars for the final.
Okay. So, hindi ka nag-compete sa vault, which eventually, si Alea Pinigan won
Yes,
the gold
nag-won
medal for the
po siya.
country. At meron tayo mga set of regulations na iniilan na one per country. Pero you choose to compete na sa uneven prize. Para alam ko, meron pang isa pang atang athlete sa uneven, no? Or ikaw pa lang?
Ako lang po.
Okay. So, could you give us assessment kung paano ka nakakuha ng silver medal, and of course, how do you handle pressure and the feel you have better postings against other Southeast Asian gymnasts? Ang alam ko, nag-gold yata dito, kung di ako kapamali, Thailand, no? Or Malaysia?
Sa bars po, Malaysia ang nag-gold po sa bars.
Taga-Malaysia yung nag-gold.
Opo.
And then silver, at sino yung nag-bronze? Ano ba country?
Singapore.
Singapore. Okay, so assessment and kahit papaano naitatawid ninyo yung magandang performance, nawawalan talaga yung pressure mo when it comes ka sa pag-perform ng uneven bars.
So, I knew na po na kung ma-hit ko lang po yung routine ko, I would earn a medal because in qualifications po, I finished second overall and I just really wanted to hold that spot until the finals. So, I felt a little bit of pressure leading up to the competition dahil ako lang po yung nag-bars para sa Pilipinas ngayong competition. So, what I did to handle it po was to meditate and to work on my breathing before competing. And just it feels great but to be ranked second in the whole Southeast Asia on bars. And bars po is not an easy event, so I'm glad I was able to show that Filipinos can also be good bar workers.
Okay, comparing to the previous performances, in particular sa uneven bar, since you have been debuted in the Southeast Asian Games, malaki na ba yung progress ninyo?
Yes po, malaki yung progress po since, I started, since my older routines po this year. In World Championships po, I did the same routine, pero nahulog po ako nung sa first skill ko po. So, this po is really a redemption round for me and super happy that I was able to win a medal with this routine.
Oo nga eh. At pag, of course, pag meron kang hindi magawang, of course, naulog ka, na-injure ka, syempre, ang inaalala natin is, of course, yung inyong body and of course, yung inyong strengths para at least ma-cope up nga sa pagiging isang, of course, gymnast natin every time na magko-compete marami tayong mga injury risk nga sa competition. Pero unti-unti ka na nakakabawi nga para dito sa inyong performance sa SEA Games. What was going to your mind na sabi mo nga, it is a redemption mood para sa iyo. And of course, you won the silver medal for the country. At naiyak ka ba nung nakita ninyo, even the parents watch, even yung mga relatives watch, yung napapanood niya sa TV, although hindi ko nakita yung performance kasi nakapokus, nakita yung mismong actual performance kasi sa live broadcast, ang pinokus na yung ibang events eh. So,
Oo.
anong sinabi sa inyo nung nalaman nyo na silver para sa Pilipinas?
So, grabing saya ko po nung nalaman ko na I got silver kasi it's been my dream po ever since I was younger to compete carrying the Philippine flag and to stand on the podium with the flag wrapped around my shoulders. At yeah, I gusto ko rin po sana na gold, super lapit na po. Pero, di pa panahon at makukuha ko din po yun at ilaban ko yun sa mga susunod pa na competitions. Just all in God's time lang po.
Okay. So, how does your SEA Games medal would help us para maipagpatuloy mo pa yung quality, yung better performance, yung improvements, and of course, yung timely and routines upang to make sure na palagi kang handa para dito sa susunod na season.
So this medal po is my first international medal po and it's just the beginning. Madami po pong susunod dito. So as long as po me and Coach Van stick to the plan, just train lang po ng train and improve every day, clean up my skills more and do more upgrades and more numbers. The medal motivates me that every meet, every turn, every routine is just a practice for the next competition and an opportunity to learn. Lahat po ito will, take me to the next competition better po and stronger po.
At lagi natin sinasabi, pag every time na magko-compete ka, huwag ka lang susuko, abutin mo lang ang pangarap mo na makuha ninyo upang madawasa at madalin ka dun sa greater heights niya para dito sa competition, no? What's next for you, Ailey? Ano ang mga abangan natin mga tournaments for 2026 naman?
So for next year po, marami po akong mga tournament sa US. May US season po ako. I compete from January po hanggang May. And pagtapos po niyan, we will also have another go at Asian Championships at sana magka-qualify din po sa Asian Games. So just help us po and pray for us for our good health and safety para po magawa namin successfully yung mga goals namin for the next year.
By the way, you're actually a national qualifier for USNCAA. So technically, wala ka pang team na susutap or parang nasa scout mo pa yung mga universities na maaari mabigyan ka ng scholarship or so on.
Opo, right now I'm currently making my decision on some colleges na I visited po. So I'll keep you updated po on which one I choose.
Oo, at we have to patiently wait nga kung ano ang produkto, ano ang eskwelahan o university na papasukan niya ni Hailey. Kasi nakita naman natin si Alea, of course si Emma, si Levi, namamayagpag nga sa pagdating sa international circuit, USNCAA, even si Charlie Manzano, who
Opo.
competed nga dun sa USNCAA too. And of course, last question before we wrap up. Kasi nakita naman natin you're a product of the grassroots program of Club Gymnastica. And of course, Batang Pinoy, pambansa. Ngayon, tumawid ka na sa SEA Games. And of course, World Championships, Asian Championships. What is the message of support niya dun sa mga nangangarap na maging katulad mo na isang overwhelmed achiever pagdating nga sa artistic gymnastics?
So sa lahat po ng sumusuporta sa amin ni Coach Van, my family, Coach Van's family, Ma'am Cynthia, Ma'am Weng, and everyone at GAP, thank you. And just all the people who cheered for us, thank you very, very, very much from the bottom of my heart. Please continue po to pray for us, for our safety, our success, at mabuhay po kayong lahat. Mabuhay ang atletang Pinoy.
Okay, so thank you so much, AD. And of course, yung message nyo rin sa mga aspiring gymnast na rin as we wrap up this interview.
So for those who soon have a goal, who have also a goal to compete in the SEA Games, just keep on training, never give up. And I hope that I inspire you to train hard and that bars is something that us Filipinos can be good at. And it's not only, the other countries who can be good at bars. We can also be good at bars and we can also stand on that podium with our flag.
All right, so thank you so much, Ailey, for granting us with this interview. We do hope na sana marami tayong mga kabataan na mag-inspire sa inyong narating na journey, and we'll be seeing you around soon. Itong Zoom na
Yes.
to, this would be the last time that we talk to you. But of course, mangumusta rin tayo in several other times pag meron tayo mga mahalaga mga competitions. Again, congratulations sa Ailey. More power and God bless Team Pilipinas. And of course, we do hope to see you soon pag nagko-compete ka sa mga iba't ibang mga competitions. Bye-bye. Maraming salamat po and God bless.
Salamat po.
Salamat
Bye
po.
po.
Bye.